Good morning to everybody watching this video. As part of the Viksit Bharat competition, we have chosen Vocal for Local and we have made a water purifier named Shujjal.
So, to understand about water purifier, let's first understand about water pollution. Can you explain us what is water pollution?
Yes, we know that water is an important resource in our lives, but we keep polluting it by releasing industrial waste into the water without treating it properly and throwing plastic bags into the ocean. This harms marine aquatism and we also get harmed by it because the water is undrinkable after throwing the plastic bags into the ocean. So we have made a water purifier that will clean water and make it reusable.
So, what is Shujjal? Shujjal is an eco-friendly prototype of a water purifier which consists of natural process called sedimentation and natural products like pebbles, cotton and filter paper. So, the first cup consists of the process called sedimentation where the heavier particles like sand and stone settle down. So, the water goes to the second cup where the minute particles settles with the pebbles. Then the water goes to the third cup where the small dirty tiny particles settle with it. So, the water finally goes to the fourth cup where the water gets filtered before getting the purest form of water. So these waters are used in bathing, for washing utensils, and so on.
This water purifier aims to give pure water to everybody, irrespective of poor or rich, and take the nation forward in terms of hygiene. Thank you all for taking your time and attention and watching this video. Let us join hands together to get clean water and save the future. Thank you.